Hello everyone. So today we are going to do something new. Today I will just scan the position, give you some points, explain you about scanning, and then I will stop the records. And only tomorrow I will share you my thoughts process. In this case, in this way you can calculate by yourself. Yes, and then you can compare what you can compare thoughts process. And this is better way to grow because otherwise you just watch brainlessly videos and don't train yourself. And growing comes not from knowing, it comes from training, from repetitions, from actually doing things. Okay, I hope it's clear. And today, I also got this question, how to improve attacking skills, and I will, by the way, also reply about attacking skills, which is we should misunderstand it as just attacking skills, and defensive skills. Yeah, one thing, yes, defensive ideas, you attack better. So prophylaxis is part of attack. Don't think you can just attack and don't care about your opponent. So we start scanning, and we scan from both sides, like rooks connected. Yes, here's weak square. Here is couple of diagonal. This bishop can join. Rooks. This we see. This pawn has some dynamic potential, but it's rare. Rooks can be good defenders on the second rank, on the first rank, and if there is any way to disconnect rooks, we can just win the game. Remember, if your opponent have harmonized connected pieces, the easiest way to win to disconnect rooks, like one go to another side and you win the game. But I just give you sheets. So and white has weakness on the second rank. Obviously, this bishop is out of play positionally. Like it can go to b1, but does nothing. Rook is not really hanging because g7 weak square, and we have equal materials, and this knight is better than this bishop, and I assume d5 is under the control, and b2 is weak pawn. I assume even endgame is good choice for black because rooks here cannot do much, but this pawn is weak and these pawns are good, and knight is very, very tricky because now it's tied to g7, and if we eliminate queens, it's also can start to jump in multiple directions, like check double jumps in all sides here, and even something where right here. And also from here it's e4 pawn, which is also weak. h3 is weak, and let's scan what is weak here. First rank maybe, second rank maybe, third rank definitely. So g3 h3 weaknesses here. This queen potentially trapped, but it's hard to imagine, but we need to scan it. Yes, like we if we can bring our pieces here, it can be winning. And which also tactical weaknesses here. This diagonal, this queen can be pinned with this rook. This diagonal is also a very good, powerful diagonal for the tactical weaknesses. This we noticed tactical weaknesses. This pawn is hanging. Yes, it's true. Bishop is hanging piece. We should never forget it. It's very important. Something rare to it. Queen c3. just kidding. But this is also tactical idea. b2 is hanging. In some cases, it can be just. So we have pawn breaks. Always check all pawn breaks. It's important. Sometimes you can just win by playing b4, and there is no clear way to proceed for white. So white kind of stuck in that attack rook f5 maybe. G3 is weak, so the idea is use this diagonal, and this one probably hangs. But yeah, G3 is weak, and I don't see. I don't understand why is it not winning. The key question I would ask myself, why is it not winning here for black? Because I mean, we simply defended a critical square, and I don't see how white can continue attack. And it's if there is no something like rook f5 or rook h4, rook h5, it seems not working. When g6, if there is no powerful way for white to continue attack, it has to be just hopeless, because black have multiple ways to improve pieces, infiltrate, and this queen is simply out of play, and it has to be just winning, yes, and b4 to open d4 square for the queen, let's say, and b2 to create double stack kebab, like Nakamura says. So we scanned, and maybe I missed some tactical weaknesses. So share it in the comments, and maybe I misevaluated something. Share it in the comments, and give me your candidates' ideas, your solution. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will continue tomorrow. Bye. By the way, I forgot. I fucked up everything as always. Pitch. I have to train myself to sell something, because I never sold anything. So this is my main constraint for growing, and my coaching is $30 per hour till September. From the 1st of September, I give you a gift. It will become $50 per hour. And I also want to create a community where we can train together, share what we are learning, and also make some money. It will be like $97 per month, and 30% for invitation. Like once you invite your friend, and friends stay, learn with us, train with us, you will get, if I remember correct, 29.11. If you invite 10 friends, you start to earn some income. If you invite 100 friends, it's quite decent income for you, and you can learn what you love, do what you love, and make money by this way. If you have better offer, share with me. I will join. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. 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 Bye from Cambodia.